Hello everyone, I'm Matt, and today I'll guide you through the main feature of Keychron Launcher Web App, Keymapping. I'll talk about how to change your commands, and I'll give you some insights about the launcher's interface. Keychron Launcher is a web app developed by Keychron, and it is one of the main tools that allows your keyboard to unleash all of its potential. Thanks to the launcher, you'll be able to remap every single key without an effort and create convenient key combinations and shortcuts. This type of boundless customization will enable you to control every little aspect of your keyboard and boost your efficiency. But enough presentations, let's dive in. First thing first, plug your keyboard into your computer to be able to use the launcher. Once plugged in, go over to launcher.keychron.com. Then click Connect and choose your device. On the left side of the page, you can find all the launcher's features that you can interact with to modify your keyboard. Now, I'll introduce you to Keymapping. Keymap is the interface that we are presented with when we connect to our keyboard. First, select the key that you want to remap, either by clicking the key on your keyboard or with your mouse on the interface. Then, go over to this section and choose which command you want to replace your selected key with. For example, you can replace the Home key with the Power OSX key. This way, you can turn off your computer with just a click on your keyboard. Inside each group, you can find many options, but to give you a quick overview, let's take a look at the most useful ones. Media allows you to choose among commands related to music or video. On the macro section, you can replace your keys with combinations that you previously created. Special is for all those shortcuts that are specific to each operating system, like Apple, Windows or Linux. For the curious ones who are wondering about the groups I didn't mention, go on and take a look. Play around with your keyboard and find which key combination fit best your needs. The customization freedom that the launcher offers doesn't end here. Since the first layer is normally already full with commands, you can also make use of a second layer to create even more combinations and shortcuts. Select the key you want to replace, then the new command, and there you have it, a new combination. Remember that to use the new key combinations, you'll need to switch between layers. To do that, hold F2 on your keyboard and then the key that you just remapped. Also keep in mind that not all keyboards have more than one FN key. Let's talk about style. Going over to the lighting section, you'll be able to customize your keyboard even further. You can choose among 22 different backlight effects, change the speed and even the brightness. And that's not it. In the near future, Keychron will add a new RGB customization feature, thanks to which you'll be able to change the color of each key independently. Keychron is always taking new steps to improve, and the launcher is definitely one of those features that will keep on renovating itself. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any doubt, let us know in the comments. Have fun with your keyboard, and until the next one, see ya!